Everybody, here we have this computer power supply. It is a Hipro model HP-P3017F3. Come out of an HP computer, I think. No, actually, no, it came out of a Dell computer. Since I see a sticker here, come out of a Dell. It's a, I think 300 watt power supply. This power supply has an issue. Although all the main output rails are putting out just fine, if you drop this into a computer, the computer will not post. So, let's go ahead and do some basic diagnostics with the multimeter. I'm going to see if you guys can figure out what's wrong with this thing. Now, all the internals, from what I can tell, look just fine. But there's something definitely going on with this thing. So, you may be able to see the front of the power supply. I'm going to go and plug it in. And you see the little green light came on. You may be able to see. Okay, so I'm going to grab the multimeter and we'll do some basic testing here. We're going to check our 5-volt standby voltage. And we're getting about 5.1 volts. So now I'm going to power up the power supply. Let's see what happens here. I'm going to turn this off for just a sec. Notice something right away. The light has gone off. Okay, now that this thing is running, let's go ahead and do some voltage testing. I'm going to hook the negative of this meter up to a ground. Orange is putting out 3.34. Yellow is putting out 12.03. Red is putting out 5.17. Blue is putting out negative 12. Purple is putting out 5.09. Gray is putting out about 0.2. So, what's wrong with this power supply? Well, first I'm going to power it back off. Let me go ahead and spin this thing around so we can better see the light on the back. I'm going to switch it off with it plugged in. As you may see, the light came back on. I'll power it back up once again. The light goes out. But when I shut it off, it comes back on. So, tell me in the comments what you think is wrong with this power supply and why the computer that it's plugged into will not post. Not a bad motherboard. Not an issue with the motherboard. It's definitely an issue with the power supply. Okay, so in a week, check back for an update video where I'll mention exactly what's wrong with this thing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.